Hello guys, I just updated the Unity Low Poly Game Kit Free and Pro version to 0.7 and in this video I'll show you what's new. There are some new rogue models, an arc and 2 broken pillars. They are also available as prefabs in the environment folder with attached colliders. You can just drag them into the scene. They come with the Pro and the free version as well. The prefabs are organized now in folders. There's one for the characters, the player and the NPCs, another one for the environment prefabs like stones, rocks, trees, terrain parts and many more. There's a gameplay folder with prefabs like the camera that has components like the player follow script attached, and this folder here contains interactable game objects, first aid, weapons, food or the fireplace. In the last folder you can find UI stuff like the inventory or the HUD canvas. When the player interacts with an interactable item, the default animation is the pickup animation, like you can see here for the axe. But in this new version the animation can be changed depending on the used item, for instance when the player opens a door. Let's have a look at the door script. It is derived from the base class interactable item base, and this has a virtual method called onInteract animation. You can override this in your scripts like I did it for the door, and I use here the animator parameter to set a trigger called tr_open. You find this trigger in the animator controller of the player, where I added a new open door animation which is played when the trigger is set. What you can also do is to add your own animations for different interactable game objects. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that your animation has to raise the event called interact with item, like the pickup or open door animations do. But if you are not an animator who can create his own animations using Blender or Maya, no problem. Just tell me which animation you need and I will add it to the character. Okay, the last feature I added is the camera pitch rotation. You can set the minimum and maximum of this camera pitch with 2 properties in the camera follow script, and if you set the maximum higher you can rotate the camera till it is kind of perpendicular to the head, and when you reduce the minimum you can bring the camera down to the floor. The animation and camera features are also available in the free version. Okay guys, I hope you liked this update. The link to both assets is added to the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be notified of new updates and new tutorials. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.